Difficult tree removal. Going airborne. William Hovey Smith, 2023. This is Hovey Smith, the Backyard Sportsman. And today we're going to have to tackle this one right here, the one above my head. I could actually get my carts around it right now, but this thing is certainly going to fall. And well, 5 years from now, when it does, I might not be as physically able as I am right now. So we're going to go ahead and get up there and go get it. Well, during this entire tree cutting episode thus far, this is the first time I've stuck the saw. Well, and this is interesting. For all practical purposes, I think the limb is cut through. So I put in a wedge, as you can see. We're going to see if I can free our saw, and that should drop the trunk. And thus it did. We now have our limb down on the ground, and we're going to cut it up like you've seen me do previously, so no reason to take you through that. Now, so far as the Greenworks saw itself goes, it cuts rapidly, as you see. It was advantageous to actually take up the ladder because I did not have to haul a running saw up a ladder or hoist it, which is the safer way, by the way. And although the chain here is loose, it still runs freely in the races in the bar. So even though it was pulled by the weight of this big limb, it did no damage to either the chain or the saw. Now, two things I sort of dislike about this saw is its internal metal components here are very flimsy, appearing compared to normal gas saws. And also this cap, which is your oiler cap, when you put it up like this is a very thin piece of plastic, and this cap fits against the reservoir here with such force that you need pliers to open it. And I have great fear that this flimsy piece of plastic is going to break off. Well, they do have replacements, thank goodness. So if that happens, yeah, you give them a call and say, I want another one of those oiler caps, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, they will very likely send you one. So outside of that, it seems to run fine. Now when I get my Echo chainsaw back, hopefully tomorrow, I'm going to continue to cut up this limb and actually show you a side-by-side comparison of the two saws, so far as their weight, the ability to cut, and this kind of thing. Thus far, the saw could be better, but is well worth the price paid and saves a lot of energy in starting a conventional saw. It cuts fast, it cuts easily. If you don't have wood to cut every day, one single battery will probably do you well enough. And if you have to stop and charge it every couple of hours, well, actually more frequently than that, it seems to cut about 36 or 40 inches of this oak without needing a charging. And this is a little bit tough, not the toughest there is, but a little bit. So I'm pretty pleased, and I'm glad to have it among my chainsaws. Well, if there's anybody in Washington County, Georgia, who wants a load of firewood, got about 3 trailer loads this size. And some of it's a little bit rotten, but a lot of it's real sound wood. So you're certainly welcome to come and get it. You can contact me at Hovey Smith, Hovey Smith, at bellsouth.net. But now, this is Hovey Smith, reminding you to hunt what you eat and eat what you hunt. Be legal, be ethical, be safe. Goodbye, God bless, and see you next time.